But I just want to show you around the room. I booked the cheapest room. I think I got it for right at 30 bucks a night, maybe 31. This is the economy room. So I'm just going to give you a tour of the room. We'll start over here with the door. Got a deadbolt, no chain. But this place right here, security is tight. Security is tight. They're on time. Multiple bellhop security guys, whatever. So let me just show you around the room. And I told my wife just to fucking relax. She's tired. So her big ass is laying up on the bed over there chilling. But when you come in the room here, nice flat screen TV, cable. I haven't went through the channels. As a matter of fact, I just turned it off. The TV was on. I was trying to turn it off. So nice flat screen TV. This is a good thing about this hotel as well, is they do provide a thing of purified water in the room. What a bonus right here. You don't have to fucking worry about running out of water. Do we have any bottled water? No, right here. Just get you a damn glass. That's a big bonus over here, folks, because if you're from the West, you know, you can drink out of the faucet, but over here, you can't drink out of the faucet, so you gotta have some water. Check out my little desk area, and look at all this shit. Damn, rolling too much stuff. Got this little desk area, and actually have a window with burglar bars. Now I'm up on the second floor. I'm not really concerned, but we do have a secure area over here. That aircon is already fucking kicking. Going back around over here, and this is the bed right here, and my old lady's fucking chilling out there, looking beautiful as usual. Got a little area right there for the lady's purse, whatever. And this mini fridge, okay, it's stocked, folks. It's stocked, and I'll have to take a look at the prices to let you know if it's inflated or if it's reasonable. A few more necessary items. Do have a safe, and the closet's big enough to hang your stuff up in. We got some extra linens. So again, there's the old lady laying her big ass around. Again, but she's looking so beautiful. Baby, say hello.
Hello.
Okay, so she's chilling, and I got a nice big mirror here to view the action when it all goes down. What's up, people? Yeah. Okay, check out this clean, modern, a proper shitter for everybody in the West who say they can't take a dump on the shitter down in my $28 a month beach condo. Got an ass sprayer, toilet paper, and what do we got here? Shower cap, toothbrush, soap, got everything you need. Plenty of towels. And we check out the shower over here. Oh yeah, look at that rainfall shower. So this room right here, I stayed in a different room last time, and I'm gonna be honest with you, I like this room better than the room I stayed in last time. And over here, got the TV guide, a menu, phone, the remotes and everything. So I'm telling you right now, I am down with this spot. I'm gonna take you for a tour of the hotel. Again, this place is called Scorebirds. It's just right down from the Pacific Breeze. It's one block back from the action. I'll show you around the pool. It's absolute paradise here. The only thing I was concerned with was what I'm concerned with as a dude trying to run a damn YouTube channel and become digitally famous is the internet situation. And no matter how nice a hotel is, if I stay at a hotel and I don't have some banging Wi-Fi, I have to move. Okay, if you've tried to upload a 4K YouTube video, it takes a long time, folks. You gotta have some badass Wi-Fi. So the first thing I do, I actually booked like five nights because I got a great rate on Agoda. And when I come in here, it's like a roll of the dice because I couldn't remember how fast the Wi-Fi was. But I'm gonna tell you right now, check that shit out, okay? The fucking Wi-Fi is banging right here in my room. Okay, so what are we looking at? We're looking at like 28 down. Let's go up. We're banging on the up too. Holy shit, 40 megs up. Guess what? We're gonna be able to live stream. We're gonna be able to upload videos. We're gonna be able to run business here. And the last time I was here, I don't remember the Wi-Fi being that fast. So I don't know if they've upgraded it or I was just too drunk last time and wasn't paying attention. But I'm happy. I'm happy with this room. Everything is absolutely perfect. A gentleman carried all my trash up here. It was a great check-in experience. The ladies at the desk were absolutely wonderful, smiling, looking beautiful. And when you walk into this place, folks, it's just fucking beautiful. You're gonna see in just a minute, right? And maybe I shift the clips around, but anyhow, Scorebirds Hotel, Angeles City in the Philippines. Great place to stay. And we are gonna do some live streaming, folks. And I think you're enjoying on Saturday, okay? Hey, thanks for joining me. And I'll show you around the pool area in just a second. Hey folks, I'm going to show you something else pretty cool, right? Alright, here's October 2018. Here's a note from the manager's desk. And just letting you know what the hell is going on event-wise, what's going on at the hotel. It's an updated letter that they've prepared. And they've also included a schedule, what's happening, October 2018. Alright, you've got a calendar of events, some options, and a little map on the back where they've got sister properties or associated properties or the events, whatever. That's pretty cool right there. You know, most hotels you go into, you're looking at a damn menu or policy that's like 30 years old. That's current, up to date right there. Got a guest comment card right here if you got any suggestions or whatever about you know, rating the staff, a little self accountability. And when I checked in, okay, they tell you when the bikini contest and pool party is, and this right here is a guest coupon for one complimentary beverage of your choice, local beer, whatever. So how can you beat the fucking experience here checking in? Now, here's something that I think I saw in the reviews, and by the fact that I'm looking at this ashtray, it's obvious and apparent that they allow smoking in these rooms. Okay. Now look, I'm not a smoker. I'm not a smoker. And when I walk in this room, I do smell a little bit of the cigarette smell, right? It's not unbearable. I'm fine with it. But people who are very sensitive to that or are going to complain about it, well, you know what? I got to be honest with you. Okay, apparently they allow smoking in these rooms. Okay, there's another ashtray right over there by the bed. I don't know if you request a smoking room, if they'll a non-smoking room, they put you somewhere else. And I cannot stand cigarette smoke, but it's not bad enough to where I'm gonna go find out. I'm fine right here. Okay. If it was unbearable, I would obviously be moving. But right now I'm cool. I got and like I said, I turned that off. But I got cold beer in the ref if I need it. I got badass Wi-Fi. I got a desk over there to do some work. And so far I'm happy. I'm happy. That's just the way it is. And I got 2 trash cans in here. One in the corner and one in the fucking CR. So, well, life is good, folks. Life is goddamn good. I even got a plant over there. How can you beat it? Okay, here's one more feature that I like. Okay. No matter what room I'm staying in, what the view is, I don't give a shit. But I do like to be able to open the damn window. Okay, I just like to be able to open the window and get some damn air coming in here. So that's perfect. And also they got a drop down spot right here where you got two plugs under there. Now I'll bring my own travel strip now, power strip. But you do have power. And you can run it up through here, and you can open the window to get some light and some fresh air. My view isn't that great. But if you look out the window, that's the Pacific Pacific Breeze Hotel over there, and basically over here is Walking Street. You're just one block back from the action. Yeah, the view's not that great, but who gives a shit? You go out the front, it is a nice view. Folks, I want to show you around this place. It's absolute paradise. I mean, from the moment you step off the curb here, and it's like the wee hours of the morning. I'm just going to show you around. This is Scorebirds Hotel. When you walk in this place, you feel like you're in something right out of Hawaii. It's got the tiki bar vibe going on, and the bar's over that area. Then you got your beautiful ladies at the check-in over here, reception area. And that's Duke's restaurant right there. That's the pool. We got a jacuzzi over there. And at night they show movies here, or they play games or whatever. And of course on the weekends, this is where the bikini contest and then the pool party kicks off. Okay, but this place is just absolutely on time. I mean, it's just beautiful. You come out here, weave my way through here, and this is the hotel. All right, the very top, I think it's like the VIP suite or whatever, but so you've only got what, 1, 2, 3, it's 4 floors. And it's basically like in a horseshoe shaped configuration, right? But like up on the second floor, the whole second floor, let me step out here. The whole second floor is also a bar. So if you want some peace and quiet, like all the tables have bells on them, you just go up there and hit the bell. The waitress will come up and take care of you. Well, folks, you talk about a little slice of paradise right here in the middle of Angeles City, the hustle and the bustle. Now, at night, you do hear a little bit of music if you're trying to sit down here and chill at the pool from High Society over there. But I don't hear it in my room at all. Only if you're down here. But it doesn't bother me. But pretty cool, you know. You want to come down here and watch movies with the kids at night. It's a little slice of paradise, folks. And you also got a fitness center right there. I haven't been in there. You know, I don't fucking go to regular gyms, but if you're into that, they do have a fitness center open 24/7. And like I said, lovely ladies over here checking you in. You want to know where the most beautiful ladies in Angeles City are? Working at the reception right here at Scorebirds. That's just the way it is. I gotta get me a drink, folks, and I'm gonna talk to this camera. Alright, so this is the bar right here. It's a tiki bar. They have all the games and stuff on the TV screens here. You want to watch NFL, soccer, anything like that, please. And you got some of the most beautiful women in the Philippines working here at the bar as well. So, and where are you from? Where are you from?
Manila.
Manila? Alright, so you got a girl from Manila working the bar. Absolutely beautiful. So, like I said, you know, some of the most beautiful women in this town, they work right here at Scorebirds. But you got a nice bar, nice padded bar stools, which if you're a heavy drinker, you know you appreciate that. But folks, this is a slice of paradise right here. How many times I gotta say it?